Rate cuts announced, how buyers and sellers can save big. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into how the Federal Reserve's recent interest rate cuts impact real estate investors, buyers, and sellers alike. We're going to explore the broader economic factors like inflation, the cooling labor market, geopolitical tensions, corporate influence, and how to strategically position yourself for 2024. Hi friends, I'm Mercedes, the military realtor. As a service member homeowner that has served in your boots before, I help you use your VA loan benefits to save money, energy, and time while creating wealth and security for you and your family. How the half-point rate cut can boost your real estate investing game. A 0.5% interest rate cut isn't just a number, it's a signal. We have to realize that it's 50 basis points. It doesn't necessarily mean 0.5% of an interest rate cut. So we have to discover how this pivotal moment can shape our real estate strategy and what the Fed's cautious stance means for us in the market. So we all know the Federal Reserve is signaling for a cut, right? It was 50 basis points. And we know that this can reshape real estate and the market for the short term. So what does this mean for us, right? We got lower borrowing costs, which can open up refinancing opportunities for a lot of people and make investments a lot more affordable. But remember, the Fed is approaching this very cautiously. We've seen inflation cool all the way down, but they're not going all in just yet, which means rates could definitely fluctuate. So if you're thinking about expanding your portfolio, maybe buying another property or a different type of property, this could be your exact chance. Think of it like waiting for the right wave. You want to ride it just as it crests over, not when it's crashing down. How smart investors thrive amid market shifts and inflation pressures. Now, inflation is cooling, but what does this mean for our labor markets and real estate? We dive into the trends that could make or break your investment decisions for this holiday season. We're getting inflation down to 2.2%, which sounds like a win, right? But we're not exactly out of the woods just yet. So a cooling labor market with fewer job gains and rising unemployment might reduce demand for high-end properties while boosting the rental market. With this holiday season coming up, right, every single year, historically, things tend to slow down in real estate. But this year, we might see more of a variance of a twist, with lower rates giving buyers more incentive to jump in. Think about it. If you're waiting to snag a property deal, would it now feel like the right moment to catch sellers that are a little bit more flexible? War and de-dollarization, how geopolitics impacts real estate. From potential conflicts to global currency shifts, geopolitical events are reshaping the real estate landscape in every which way, and including the banking system too, right? We got to remember these are all connected. So we're going to learn how to pivot and secure your investments in these uncertain times. We live in a globally interconnected world, and geopolitical tensions like the situation between Iran and Israel or BRICS countries pushing to de-dollarize can send ripples through the entire real estate economy. Rising oil prices due to conflict can spike inflation, making everything else more expensive as well. This includes your next renovation project, wood, whatever it is, right? Just materials can go up as we've seen it. But here's the silver lining. U.S. real estate is often seen as a safe haven during times of international instability. Foreign investors may pour into our market, viewing U.S. properties as a stable investment. In these times of uncertainty, real estate can be your shelter in the storm, both literally and financially. How real estate investors can compete against big corporations in 2024. Major corporations are buying up single-family homes and shifting market dynamics. Discover how investors can adapt to this corporate takeover and find lucrative opportunities. It's no secret, big corporations like BlackRock, Amazon through another company named Arrival, these companies are snatching up single-family homes at an alarming rate, turning them directly into rental properties and renting them back to us for a higher premium than just us owning. Now, this trend is pushing prices up, making it harder for smaller investors to compete. But here's the deal. When giants play the long game, it's because they believe in the enduring value of real estate. As an individual investor, you can still find gold in multifamily units or smaller markets that haven't been overrun yet. It's exactly like David and Goliath, right? The mythical story. Except David is savvy, agile, and ready to make moves where Goliath is not even looking at all because he thinks it's a down market, right? Stay ahead by finding the deals they're not targeting. Real Estate Strategy 2024, How to Win Amid Market Shifts. In a market defined by rate cuts, geopolitical risk, and corporate influence, what's the best path forward for real estate investors? We'll break down the strategies you need for success. 2024 is shaping up to be a year where real estate investors need both caution and boldness. Short term, take advantage of the rate cuts now. Lock in these lower mortgage rates before the window closes, right? Depending on what we think is going to happen forward looking. I tell everyone, wait till December, January to make the refinances, right? But if you want to buy traditionally, buy now. And we can look into multifamily properties, commercial spaces, and even emerging markets where competition isn't as fierce yet. Think of it like this. A good real estate strategy is like a well-packed parachute. You don't know when the winds will shift, but you'll always land safely if you've planned for all of these outcomes. Stay informed, stay flexible, and make sure you're looking at the bigger picture. DM or comment real estate now to start creating wealth and security through real estate. I create content weekly that helps keep you informed on market conditions and current Colorado listings. If you feel like I've earned it, please hit that like button to support. Visit my site now to book a quick 30-minute chat. And don't forget, real estate creates real wealth.